React.js versus Vue.js. The battle of JavaScript frameworks. If you're starting a new project in 2025, which one should you choose? Pick the wrong one, and your project could become a nightmare. But choose wisely and you'll have a smooth, scalable, and high-performing web app. React and Vue are two of the most popular JavaScript frameworks in 2025. They power websites and applications used by millions worldwide. Companies like Facebook, Instagram, Airbnb, and Netflix rely on React, while Alibaba, Xiaomi, and GitLab trust Vue for their interfaces. But which one is the right choice for you? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the learning curve. If you're a beginner, Vue.js is your best friend. Its syntax is simple and you can start coding within minutes. React, on the other hand, has a steeper learning curve because of JSX, a mix of JavaScript and HTML. If you're new to web development, Vue wins this round. Now let's talk about speed. React's virtual DOM optimizes UI updates, making it incredibly fast for large applications. Meanwhile, Vue is lightweight and perfect for small to medium-sized projects. For large-scale apps, React is the winner, but if you're working on a lightweight, high-performance app, Vue shines. When it comes to flexibility, React is like a Lego set. You can build anything, but you'll need extra pieces. It requires external libraries for state management and routing. Vue, on the other hand, comes with everything built in. If you love customization and scalability, React is your go-to. But if you want an all-in-one solution, Vue takes the lead. React powers Instagram, Airbnb, and Netflix. Vue is used by Alibaba, Xiaomi, and Laravel Nova. If you're working on a large, complex app with high interactivity, go with React. For simpler, elegant, and fast-loading apps, Vue is the winner. The big question is React or Vue the future of web development? Both React and Vue are evolving fast. React is focusing on server-side rendering, while Vue is getting more developer-friendly. The demand for both is still high in 2025, so the answer, it depends on your project. Let's summarize. Choose React if you're working on a complex, large-scale project or need cross-platform mobile apps. Choose Vue if you want an easy-to-learn framework with built-in features and rapid development speed. At the end of the day, both are powerful choices. The best framework is the one that fits your needs. Which one will you choose in 2025? Comment below. Are you Team React or Team Vue? Subscribe now for the latest tech reviews, tips, and updates. Stay ahead in the tech game.